Ah, there's two the other side. There we go. Does this surprise you, Jared, that things haven't broken yet?
Not with an air filter.
Whoa, that's nasty. Sort of an odd angle to get things at. There we go. So, come on, out. Oh, there we go. What way is it gonna go? That way. That is actually in straight. Yeah, it is, that's good. Okay, next one.
There's probably a reason why the sides of the pit are covered in oil. Hey,
there we go.
You're gonna give it a little taste.
I mean, it runs, so I suppose it's okay. We'll have to see. There we go. Is it gonna be a sensor? I reckon it will. Straight away, fix the problem. There we go.
Well, you bodged the problem.